Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm going to show you what I'm moving on to. So I'm going to sell my G42 M240i, and today I got this beautiful E36 1999 M3. So as you can tell, it's in pretty good condition. It is a convertible. It is automatic, but I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. As soon as I drove it, I knew that it was going to be a lot of fun. I just needed some work, some visual work, some mechanical work, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to document the entire process. Just wanted to update on what I've purchased, and it's in pretty good condition, as you can see so far. It looks pretty great. It's got the leather seats, heated seats, leather interior. It's just overall a great car. Smells great, and with some work, it's gonna look amazing. So be sure to subscribe and follow if you're interested in this build. I'm definitely gonna do a lot more than I usually do, just because a lot more is available. Whereas cars like this have absolutely nothing available in the market in terms of modifications. So it's gonna be a great journey. I'll see you in the next one.